Good morning. How much are these oranges?
They're $1.50 each, picked fresh this morning.
Nice. Are they sweet?
Yes, very sweet and juicy.
Okay, I'll take 2, please.
Sure, would you like to try some apples too?
Maybe. How much are they?
$3.80 per pound. They're crisp and really tasty.
All right, give me half a pound.
Good choice. How about some grapes?
Only if they're fresh.
They are $2.20 a pound, very sweet ones.
Okay, then half a pound of grapes, please.
Got it. 2 oranges, half a pound of apples, and half a pound of grapes. That'll be $7.60.
That seems a bit high. Could you check again, please?
Oh, you're right. Let me see. 2 oranges are $3, apples $1.90, and grapes $1.10. That's $6 in total.
Ah, that makes sense. Here's $10.
Great. Here's $4 back. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your fruits.